Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. So, as usual, this is the session where we analyze the market together and then possibly look for entry positions to take trade. All right. So, this is the market I'm currently looking at. This is the market I am currently looking at. I have gold here, and you see what is happening on the gold. Okay, so the market is still around this zone. Okay, this is not the only zone. We have two zones here actually. Okay, we have this second zone. Okay, so we have these zones, and so right now we are on this trade on our premium group. Okay, and this is the reason why I took this trade, because we have a strong rejection area around these zones. Okay, we have a very strong rejection area here. So we have strong resistance here rather, okay, because there's a concentration of supply around here. So we have a strong resistance. All right. And you see, we are selling this market right now. Okay. We are selling. Okay, we are selling this right now. Guys, I've already given you guys expo. Okay, we are selling and the market is still inside the resistance area. Okay, we are selling right now. So if you want to sell this with us, you can join us. All right, we are selling this. This is the gold market, and you know gold is very volatile. Please be very careful with your positions. All right, gold has been making a bullish move for almost a week now. See, the bullish move started since on the 6th. That was last week Friday, and you see, up until now, the market is still making bullish move. So we just hope that the market reverses on this resistance area. Okay, so that is it. All right. Guys, if you have any suggestion, if you have any market you want me to make analysis on, please let me know. Okay. So let's go to AUD CAD. Let's make fresh analysis. Okay. So I think I've made analysis here on this pair earlier, and you see how the market is going down. All right. So I made this analysis earlier. You see, the market is making its move to the downside. So I'll just make rough explanation because on our Telegram session this morning, um, sorry, I've forgotten who it was, but somebody was actually suggesting that I make analysis or I make more explanation on liquidity. Okay, yes, I remember that. All right, I remembered that. So the person was asking me to make more explanation on liquidity. Don't worry, I'm going to make the explanation, okay? Because that is what we are here for. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much. Thanks for the suggestion. GBP USD. Okay, it has tripled up on both 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Wow, that's good. See, I love people that knows what they are doing. Okay, that means you'll be learning. GBP USD. Okay, so from the analysis, you said the market made triple top on 15 minute and 5 minute time frame. So that shows that you are a scalper. Yes, you scalp, isn't it? So yesterday I think somebody also asked this question. The person said, okay, yeah, it was a suggestion for us to make analysis, and I said the market is going to continue to move down. Okay, so I think the market was around this area also yesterday, or maybe I think here. Okay. So I said the market was going to make a move to the downside. Then the market made it move. Okay. So if you're on this market right now, you are probably okay. So you are a scalper. That is why you are seeing triple top around this area. Okay, but the market has already moved away from the top. Okay. So this setup, you can't really take this setup right now because of what has happened. You see, the market was respecting this. Let me show you what the market was respecting. Okay, we have this other block. The market respected this other block to this area. Okay, yes, we have an other block around here. The market respected the other block here. And you see what the market did again? The market moved up, respected this other block also. Remember what I said about other block? The last candle that created a gap is our other block, and this was the last candle. You see how the market respected that? See, the market respected the other blocks. That is why the market keeps going down. Okay, so the next other block right now that I think the market can come to respect is this. Okay, this is the next one. You see, and the reason why I'm marking this out as my other block is because, so if you look below here, you see how the market created a fair value gap. All right, the market created this fair value gap. So this is where my entry would be. My stop loss will be here, okay, at this high, and then my take profit would be maybe this low. That's my first take profit. Okay, but this is a scalping trade. This is scalping setup. Okay, so this is not the setup for a long trade. Because we are seeing this on the 5 minute time frame. This is a scalping setup. All right. Okay. So this is what we are waiting for right now. I'm waiting for this market to move up to this area. Okay. Then I take entry from there. So this is the 5 minute time frame. Let's go to the 3 minute. See what we did there. Okay. So we can actually move this to this area. Okay. Because on the 3 minutes, you see, we also have another fair value gap here. So I think this market will move to this area. In fact, we have fair value gaps. Okay, so let's just leave it here. Let's just leave it here. Okay, then let's move our setup, our entry to that area, because we also have another fair value gap, which I think this market will come to this fair value gap. Okay, this is the first fair value gap. So I marked out the whole candle that formed the first fair value gap as my other block. Though this is supposed to be my other block, this candle is supposed to be my other block. Yes, but let's just stay on this. And then since our stop loss is around this area, then we are protected. All right. But doesn't mean that the market cannot go against us. Oh. This is just protected in a way that the market can actually move. Okay. Our risk to reward ratio is better now because we have a reward of 1.5. So if we risk $1, then we are going to be making $1.5, which is a little bit better compared to $1 to make $1. All right. So that is it for GBP USD. You see. All right. So we're going to wait for this market to come to this area. We can't take this trade right now because the market has already moved. Okay, it moved and left a lot of fair value gaps. All right, left so many imbalance. Okay, inefficiency. So the market is making a move right now, and I'm predicting that when it gets here, it's going to move to the downside. Okay, at least to this area. Okay, so we'll check on that later. This is the 5 minute time frame, and every candle here is going to take 5 minutes to finish printing. So let's not just wait here, doing nothing, just watching market. Let's go and make other analysis. Then we can come back to that later. Okay. So guys, you can just remind me later to check GBP USD. Okay. So yes, now talking about liquidity. Talking about liquidity in the forex market, liquidity is very easy. Okay. And the easiest way to actually get liquidity is this. So this is the easiest way I teach my students to get liquidity. Okay. Liquidity is simply when you have a zone. Okay. Let's say maybe a support zone or a resistance zone. Okay. Then you want to take your entry from that zone. But instead of the market to respect that zone, the zone gets broken. Okay. It either broke the resistance to the upside or break the support to the downside. But after breaking it, the market come back into the zone immediately. Okay, come back into the zone immediately and start going your way. And then when it got into the when it broke the zone, it took you out of the market. So let's assume we have a market that is coming up this way. We have a zone here. Okay, we have a resistance zone. Then you are waiting for this market. Okay, so let's say maybe the market has made a move this way before, came down maybe to this area, and then you're waiting for the market to actually come back here, okay, for you to take a sell position so that the market will keep moving to the downside. But instead of this market to move to the downside, the market just did something this way, something like this. Maybe took you out of the market. All right, this is where you set your stop loss because you thought the market was going to reverse from here. So maybe the market took you out, okay, out of the market. Then now maybe you start thinking, okay, I think this market is going to go up. Doesn't want to what doesn't want to go my way. So immediately you start thinking maybe the market would actually start going up. The market just made something like this, broke back into the zone. Okay, broke back into the zone. Then maybe did something like this, and then continue to go down. So this is liquidity. Okay, this is liquidity because when the market moved, we have so many sellers. You see, the market is always creating a trap zone. All right, the market is always creating a trap zone. So what I mean by trap zone is the market trend will always look for where we have lot of buyers or lot of sellers. Okay. So the market will always look for where we have a lot of buyers or a lot of sellers and then liquidate their account. Okay. So liquidate their account is chopping their money. Okay, taking them out of the market and making them lose to the market. All right. So the market is always creating a trap. And that is why the SMC strategy, the smart money concept strategy, is is so good. Okay. Because the trap zone that the market has set for seller or buyers is what you are taking advantage of. Okay, so you see, we have a lot of sellers around this area. They were hoping that the market will get to this area and then start selling to the downside. But when the market got here, what happened? You see, the market broke out of it, broke to the top side, taking all the sellers out of the market before starting the down movement. Okay, so this is the trap zone. And this is the kind of setup an SMC trader wants to see before you actually open a position. Okay, so if I see this, the next thing I'll be waiting for is this, the change of character. All right, something like this as my change of character. Okay, so I'll label it this way. This change of character is a confirmation that this market will continue to go down. Okay. So now, when I get this, the next thing I want to wait for is I would look for where I have my order block. Okay, an order block that created an imbalance. So what I mean by imbalance also mean fair value gap. Okay, so I'll be looking for order block that created imbalance, that created order block, fair value gap. So once I get a fair value gap, the next candle that formed the fair value gap is going to be my entry candle. All right, that will be my order block. So let's say the market moves into the order block, I'll take my sell entry, and then the market would move to the downside, giving me profits. All right. So guys, I hope you understand the concept of liquidity now. You see, I'm slowly teaching you SMC strategy. Okay, I'm slowly teaching you guys SMC strategy. But if you want to learn more, if you want to learn, you know, this the better way, the easier way, I can actually summarize this for you in an easy way. But it's not going to be easy to do that here on this live session because we have a lot of people that don't understand all of these concepts. Okay, so that is why um, I've decided that if you want to learn this, you need to fund the account with at least $200. All right. See, I wanted to give promo today, but I think we should make that maybe tomorrow. Okay, guys, tomorrow we are going to be having a change of schedule. Okay, we are going to be having a change of schedule. So we are going to be having a morning session now. Okay, aside the Telegram question and answer session, we are going to be having a morning session. All right. So the evening session is going to be out of it. All right. We don't have evening session anymore. So our morning session is going to be from 10 to 11. All right. Then our normal afternoon session will still be there. Okay. This normal afternoon session, 2 to 3. Okay. Then the morning session is going to be concentrating more on analysis like this also. Okay. And then I think that would even create more opportunity for us to take trades. All right. So if you haven't found the account, please go and fund the account. And tomorrow I'm going to be launching another limited offer. Okay. So I'm going to be using that um, as our welcoming. It will be like a welcome offer. Okay, to welcome our new schedule, our morning live stream session. All right. So guys, please keep that in mind. Morning live stream session will start tomorrow, and that will be around 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay. Then our afternoon session, the 2 p.m. session, will still be there. All right. But we don't have. We are going to cancel the evening session, the 7 p.m. session. Okay. You're going to take that one out. So let's go back to GBP USD and see if our market actually gets triggered. You see, the market is still making a move to the upside right now. Okay. So you see, this is why it is very important for you to follow who know road. Okay. Because if you don't follow who know road, you just keep taking wrong entries. All right. You just keep taking wrong entries. And nobody want to take wrong entry, you know. So that is why it's very important to follow who know road. Okay, follow me. Go and fund the account. Let me even show you what we did on our premium group this morning. Yes. Oh, is it afternoon? I think I dropped the signal this morning, if I'm not mistaken. So let me just show you guys snippet of what we did on the premium group. All right. So you see, this is the signal we took this afternoon. Okay, yeah, the signal was dropped around 12:29. Okay, so this is it. This is when I dropped the signal, 12:29, and just few minutes after, I think just about after one, this afternoon, you see the profit I already made. You see, this is almost $20. Guys, this is what we do on the premium group every day. All right. And this is why it's important for you to join our premium group. All right. Join the premium group, get this benefit. Get the benefit of making money. Guys, stop playing. We are making money on the premium group. So if you want to join my premium group, all you have to do is fund your account with at least $10. Okay. We have $10 package, we have $15 package, then we have the $200 package. Now the difference here is if you fund the account with $10, you stay active in my premium group for 2 weeks, 14 days. Okay. But if you fund up to $15, then you stay active in my premium group for 30 days. That is 1 month, one whole month. Okay. And if you have the power to fund up to $200, then you get even more benefit aside getting signal. Okay. You get to have a one-on-one session with me, right? And then you can ask whatever private question you want to ask me. Okay. So let me show. Okay, sorry. Yes, we have this also, right? We have GBP, JPY. We took this yesterday. You see, on the 17th. Okay, we took this yesterday, and look at the profit we made. All right. So guys, go and fund the account. Let's do this together. You see, these are the trades. I think this was from yesterday also. I've forgotten when we took this, but look at the profit we made. All right, look at the profit we made. Yes, look at the profit we are making on our. Okay, yes, this is from yesterday. Okay, we took three trade yesterday. Okay, I think it was day before yesterday. Okay, we took three trades, and two went into profit. The other one didn't trigger our entry. Okay, but yesterday we took three. One went into profit. The other two didn't reach our entry point. Okay, so we didn't lose any trade this week. So you see, guys, this is the profit we are making on our group. Okay, and our signal accuracy for last week is look at this. So it's 73%. Okay, and I was able to raise my account by 35%. Right. So imagine making 73% profit. Okay, imagine an accuracy with 73%. Just imagine what you could get from that. All right. Any professional forex trader that can give you 60, 65 to 85% is a good forex trader. Okay, and if you join my premium group, I can provide you accuracy of more than 70%. Okay, last week was 75. This week, sorry, last upper week was 75. Last week was 73. Okay, and hopefully this week is going to be 80 or 85. All right, so join my premium group. Let's do this together. Okay, join my premium group. Let's do this together. So this is the accuracy report, right? These are the trades we took on the 9th. Okay, this is our last week accuracy report. These are the trades we took. Okay, you see our first trade that was last week Monday gave me a profit of $7. The second trade I forgot to take the trade, but the market went into take profit. All right. The third trade I think didn't trigger our entry. Then on the 10th, this is the trade we took on the 10th. Okay. The first one took me out. Okay, I think I closed this. I closed this. Okay, but it went into a loss. All right. Then our second trade for the day went into profit, giving me $14 profit. Okay, this is the profit I made from the trade. All right. And then on the 11th, okay, so still on the 10th, our third trade didn't trigger the entry. And then on the 11th, look at the trade we took. Okay, this I think XAU USD. This was the day we took a trade on the XAUUSD gold, and then gold market gave us a loss. Okay, we actually lose this trade, but still on the 11th, our second trade, Ethereum USDT, gave us a profit. Okay, gave us a profit of $12. Okay, gave me personally profit of $12. Okay, the third trade went into loss. But look at on the 12th. See what we did on 12th. Okay, our first trade went into profit. Second trade profit. Third trade profit. Okay, and on the 13th, which was the on Friday, you say the first trade GBPCAD gave me a profit of $40. All right. So guys, you see how good the signal provided are, and you see how accurate they are, right? So this is why it is very important for you to join the premium group so that you can get this benefit. All right. So you are here right now. You are learning how to trade the forex market. Um, if you're on my group, if you're on my premium group, you make money as you learn. All right. That is just the easiest way to explain it. You make money as you learn. So you are there, you are learning, and you are making money at the same time. Okay. You come to the session to learn about analysis and placing trades. Then on the premium group, you just be placing trades. All right. When I give the signal, you place the trade. All you have to do is just set an alarm on your Telegram app. Okay. So anytime I drop any update, you get notified immediately. All right. So guys, that is it. Now let's go back to our chart. All right. Let's go back to our chart and continue what we were doing initially. So this market just keeps moving. Okay, respected this fair value gap, didn't come to our fair value gap. But I love the market coming back into the fair value gap that is at the top. Okay, so I don't regret not taking this trade because I don't take a fair value gap in the middle. Okay, I take the one that is on the premium area. That is if I want to sell, and if I want to buy, I wait for the one that is on the discounted area. Okay, guys, please just give me a few moments. All right. Okay, sorry about that, guys. All right. So let's continue with our analysis. All right. So this trade was also sent to my premium group, and you see, we didn't get tagged in. Okay, the market didn't tag us in. So the market got here and then started making a move to the downside. And this is where I thought the market, this is where we had our sell limit. Okay. So we're waiting for this market to get to this area before selling to the downside. But the market never got there. The market never got there. All right. AUDJPY. Let's see what is going on in the AUDJPY. Okay, so I took this trade earlier. I initially took it from this area. Okay, so but I did the analysis yesterday. The market got here. Okay, my stop loss was around this area. Um, I didn't set a sell limit. So when the market got here, the market triggered my entry and then started making a move. In fact, made a move to this area. Okay, but I'm still looking for a way to take this entry. That is why I marked out this fair value gap. See, the fair value gap is very obvious, and then my stop loss is just right around this area. So I'm waiting for this market to come back into my fair value gap here to trigger my entry. Okay, waiting for the market to come back there, trigger my entry. So that is it. Okay, AUD NZD. All right, so let's delete this. Let's delete all of this. Let's delete all of these. So we have these areas that got mitigated, and we have this area that is not yet mitigated, right? We have that area there. It is not mitigated yet. Every other area here is mitigated aside this. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see if we can get a better view of the market. Yes, you see what happened there? You see what happened there? So the market is currently, here, and I'm expecting this market to respect this fair value gap and this other block here. Okay, we have this other block, then we have this fair value gap. Okay, so I'm just going to mark it from the other block to the end of the fair value gap. Okay. So what I'm currently looking at is for this market to come here, right? Give me an entry here. Stop loss just right above here. Okay. Have a small stop loss. Oh, sorry, this is the 4 hour time frame. That stop loss is not small. That stop loss is not in any way small. So if you set a stop loss on the 4 hour time frame and you think it's small, guys, our case no go be OYO. Say amen, guys. May our case never be OYO. If you set your stop loss on 4 hour time frame, may your case not be OYO. All right, so we have our stop loss just right above that high. Okay, so I targeted this high because we have another block here. Okay, so I targeted this high. That is why my stop loss is there where it is right now. This is my entry, and then we have this big fair value gap. Okay, so I'll just target the beginning of the fair value gap here. I don't want to go too far. Okay, but I'm quite sure the market will come back here because look at this setup. We have a change of character here. Okay, we have a change of character here. So the market will most time come back into a fair value gap or other block that's created a change of character. Okay, and then we have this liquidity. Right, we have this liquidity, we have change of character. So I'm speculating that this market will come back here, come back at least back into this change of character before, even if it's going to reverse, but it's going to come here because there are a lot of there's a very huge gap here that the market needs to come back to fill. Okay, the market needs to come back to that gap to fill it. But since the gap is here, I can just mark this area out. Okay, I can just mark this area out as okay. So I can just mark that area out as okay. So this is my demand area. That is my support area. Okay, and I don't want the market to get to that support um, before I get out of the market. Before the market give me my profit, I want to get here. Okay, so I can even target maybe say 2.5. Yes, I think I like this better. Okay, because of this fair value gaps that is around here, so I'm just going to target this area. Yes, I'm just going to target that area and wait for the market to buy to this area. Okay, all right. All right. So let's make another analysis from another pair. We have AUD, USD. So I've made this analysis, I think from yesterday. Yes, I did this analysis yesterday. I think we made this analysis on this live stream, on the live stream yesterday, where I said we have a fair value gap here. So let me just label that out. Yes, I said we have our fair value gap around this area, and we have our other block around here. Okay, but you see what happened? The market got to the fair value gap and started going down. Okay, it started going down when it got to the fair value gap. It didn't get to our other block. Yes, but that is okay. Yes, and this didn't respect this. The market just keeps going to the downside. Yes, I know it was going to continue to go down because we have so many rejections here. Okay, remember what I said about rejections? Whenever we have so many areas, okay, when we have an area where the market has rejected from, like so many times, the market would most time break that area to the downside. And you see what happened? The market broke here, retested it, and the market is still going down, still going to the downside right now. All right, the market is still going down. Okay, so I think this market is respecting this fair value gap. Yes, you see, it's respecting it. It's respecting this gap, and that is why the market made this move. Okay, so let me give you guys another tips. Let me give you another expo. You see, when I was just starting out, when I was learning about SMC, what I did was I mark out my areas. Okay, areas where I think the market would move from. My fair value gaps. Okay, I mark them out, and anytime the market is around that area, I look out for a rejection. I want to see if the market is going to reject it, if it's going to get rejected around such area. So when I get a rejection is like a way for me to actually confirm, okay, to make confirmation that yes, this market is actually going to go down or is going to go up. Okay, so I'll mark areas down like this. And when the market got here and move up, I knew the market is going to go up. Then I stay on the market. So that is what I do majorly. Yes. Okay. So this analysis was also made this morning, right? So this analysis was made this morning, and market is still respecting. You see, is currently on this fair value gap, and you see how the market is respecting the fair value gap. Guys, we can actually sell this, right? The market has rejected it severally. So let's wait for the close. Let's go to the 15-minute candle and see what the 15-minute is doing. All right. So let's wait for the closure of this 15-minute candle. Then we can take a sell entry here. Okay. The market is currently on this area, fair value gap area. So we are going to take a sell entry and wait for the market to sell to the downside. Okay. So let's go to the 5 minute. You see, this is the kind of deep dive I love. Okay, you see how the market cutting into our fair value gap there. So the market made a good move into the fair value gap. Okay, and see how the market was moving after touching the fair value gap. So let's just wait to see what this market is currently playing at. Let's see what the market wants to do. All right. So you see how this market created this whole rejection, and then the market is still around this area. Okay, guys, let's sell. Okay, let's sell this trade. Let's sell Euro AUD. All right, Euro AUD sell. Euro AUD sell. Because this market is still on downtrend until it gets taken out of here. Okay, Euro AUD sell. I'm going to write out the stop loss and the take profit. Okay, so take profit, right? And for our stop loss, yes. So if you sell immediately when I said sell, you see we are already in profit right now because the market is selling. So now set this take profit and this stop loss, right? Set this take profit and the stop loss. If you took this trade, we are already in profit. We are making profit already. Your trade is showing green. Yes. See, the market was here when I said sell. Yes, and you see where the market is right now. So that means we are in profit. And set your take profit and your stop loss. Okay. Set this take profit. Just set this number as your take profit, and set this number as your stop loss. All right. So let me give you guys just a minute more to set that, and then we move on to the next pair. So you see, our market is still making a move to the downside, and we are in profit. So I hope you've set your stop loss and your take profit. Now let's look at Euro CAD. Let's see what is going on there. So on Euro CAD, I have this marked out. Okay, I have this marked out, and I'm currently looking for a buy opportunity around here. Okay, currently looking for a buy opportunity around there, and this market has made this move here. That is liquidity taken. All right, liquidity taken there. Right. I took this trade yesterday, and you see the market is still making a move to the downside. This is Euro GBP. Okay. Yes, Euro JPY is also making its move. We analyzed this market together yesterday afternoon. Yes, I remembered. On our afternoon live session, we analyzed this market together, and I said I was waiting for the market to come to this area to give us an entry. Okay, but unfortunately, I wasn't there when the market started making its move. And you see, the market is currently here. So that means we've made lot of profit. Okay, if we took this trade, could have made a lot of profit. So this is about 2 to 1. It's two times of whatever you are risking. And I think this is where my target is. Okay. That is where my target is. 3 to 1. All right. Yes, this got triggered also. After getting triggered, see what the market has been doing. Euro USD. Yes. Yesterday I said the market was going to come to my fair value gap. The market got to my fair value gap and started making a move to the downside immediately. Immediately, guys. So this is my next lookout. Okay. The next trade I'm looking out for. And this is what I think is going to happen. So we have this other block here. We have this other block. Yes. So we have this other block here. But we also have this fair value gap around here. But most times when a fair value gap is too far-fetched, the market would not go there. Okay, the market will just respect the fair value gap that is within its reach. And if you ask me, I think this is the one that is within its reach here. So the market can just come to this other block and continue to go down, right? But these are the two areas I'm looking out for. So if I get a rejection here, I'm going to take a trade. If I don't get a rejection, then I'll wait for the other opportunity. But I doubt that the market would reach fair value gap at the top. I seriously doubt it. So if this didn't get respected, then I'll probably be looking out for this area, all right? This area as my next entry area. So let me mark the start of the fair value gap. Let me mark it there. So this is my next entry point. Just in here, stop loss. Yes. So these are my entry zones. Okay. So I have two entry here. I have this first one. I have this second one. Okay. So what I'm currently looking out for right now is for the market to either take this or this. So when the market moves to this area, I'm going to look out for an opportunity. But if that doesn't happen and then the market keeps moving up, then my next entry point will be around here. Okay. So this is it. So let's continue. So we have this fair value gap that just got respected. Okay. The market has been respecting this before, but you see how the market just took that out and respected this. You see? So you see the market is always respecting fair value gaps. Okay. The market is always respecting fair value gaps. All right. You see? You see how the market respected that and immediately went down. Okay. So this market respected this fair value gap. Didn't get to all of these other fair value gaps here. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame. I want to see why the market didn't get to the okay. So you respected this fair value gap. Yes, respected this fair value gap because we have liquidity here. Wow. So here we have GBP JPY. I took this trade yesterday, and you see the market is still respecting the area. So this was the first place we took. I think we took this on Monday, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I don't know. I really can't recall when we did that. Okay, yes, it was yesterday. Okay, we took it. We took this on Monday, and this is where our entry was. Okay, and the market, we set our take profit around here, and you see the market came down, gave us profit. So the market respected it, and then right now it's still respecting that same area. All right, it's respecting it because there's another block here. Okay, so guys, you see how the market just keep respecting other block and fair value gaps. All right. If you have any question on other block or fair value gap, or you want me to teach you, please go and fund your account. All right, fund your account with at least $200. Tomorrow morning, it's likely we have. Sorry about that, guys. So tomorrow morning, it's likely we have an offer, a limited offer to launch our morning session. All right. So guys, as I've said earlier, no more evening session. All right. So it's going to be morning session and afternoon session from now onward. So starting from tomorrow, our first session is going to be the morning session coming around 10 a.m. Okay, for 1 hour, 10 a.m. till 11 a.m. Then now we now have Telegram question and answer also, right? Where you get to ask any question you have. Okay. And then I'll be there also to answer your questions. All right. Myself and Bella will be there to answer any question you might have. So guys, I'll see you. Well, on the evening, since we just canceled the evening session, we might have a Telegram question and answer for those that would couldn't join us in the morning. Okay, so we'll have another session in the Telegram. I think that will also be like maybe for probably maybe 30 minutes or so. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the Telegram session. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Bye for now.